to another YouTube video of Forex, where we make trading very simple. Now in this video you will learn what are pips, what are lot sizes, and forex leverage. So make sure to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, and that like button, guys, as well. If you don't understand anything, please make sure to comment down below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so to start off, I want us to really break down what forex is through the depths of pips, understanding what lot sizes are, then we'll further move on to leverage, right? Okay, fair. So starting off, we'll just take a pair that everybody knows, everybody trades, it's well renowned, right? We'll take Euro USD. So now let's use current market price, right? Clean cut finish. Currently, my current market price is 1.08540, right? So what you see here is basically the coordinates you see on the right hand side of your trading view app in most cases, right? Now what this basically means is that for 1 euro it equals 1.0854 US dollars, relatively the way we see it over here, right? Clean cut finish, right? So now I want you to understand what a pip is. A pip is the fourth decimal place of these coordinates relatively over here, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a pip. The 4 that is highlighted is called a pip, right? So now theoretically, let's say you gain 10 pips, right? So what is your price supposed to be? Your price is supposed to be like this, right? 1.08640 American dollars or US dollars, right? That's a gain of what? Of 10 pips, right? So now running it back again, this is the current market price action, or current market price, right? So now for every 1 euro it will equal to 1.08540 US dollars, right? When you gain 10 pips, the price is supposed to look like this, 1.08640. Now since you understand the whole concepts of pips, let's move over to lot sizes where you can really understand everything. Right, in forex we have 3 different types of lot sizes, right? We have 0.01, which we call the micro lot, right? We proceed to have the 0.10, which we call the mini lot, right? And then we proceed to have the 1 standard lot, which we call the standard lot, right? So now I just want to show you a demonstration of how much you would make off of just 1 pip of trading the different types of lots, right? So let's take micro lot, for example. With a micro lot you can make 10 cents per pip. With a mini lot you can make $1 per pip, and with the standard lot you can make $10 per pip, right? So you can already imagine, depending on how many pips you catch, even if it's 35 pips and the amount of trades that you take, the pips do matter. You get what I mean? And the main reason why I really wanna make you guys understand the value of pips is so you guys can understand how much value they bring, right? So now what's the unit of measurement? How much do you actually need to trade a standard lot, right? So now these go by, with the standard lot is 100,000 of the currency, right, of its own, so of the US dollar, right? With the mini lot you need to have 10,000 worth of that currency, and then with this one you need to have 100th of the currency, right? So what do I mean, right? Let's take an example. Let's use the standard lot, right? We use the current market price, right? 1.08540, right? So now with the standard lot you would need to have 100th of the base currency, right? Or the code currency, my bad, right? So that's 100 times the code currency, which equals to 108,540 right? So now all of us might not have this money in our accounts. Well, 90% of day traders don't have this in their accounts. So this is why leverage is so important, guys. Like, you need to understand that it really makes a difference, because we don't have that amount of money in our accounts in most cases. So we use these types of leverages to amplify the amount of upside potential we have, especially when we take trades. So now running it back again, right? The micro lot is a 0.01. With 1 pip you can gain 10 cents, right? A mini lot is 0.10 lots, which you can gain, for 1 pip you can gain $1, and then for a standard lot you can get $10 for just using this, right? What is the unit of measurement? This is for 100th of the currency, the code currency. This is the 10,000th of the currency, and then this is the 1,000 of a currency, right? So now understanding that deeper and deeper, now you kind of understand what is the reason behind leverage, right? So now tap in to see what is what we use leverage for and how you can capitalize, right? All right, so now I want to explain leverage to its simplest form, and I want to explain it in a way that all of us new traders and expert traders go through, like the whole process, right? So what you do, you want to just start trading, right? Obviously what you do, you want to deposit money. Let's say you deposit $100, right? Obviously, as you deposit the money in the broker, they ask you what type of leverage do you want, right? We usually have so many different types. 1:30, 1:100, 1:500. There's some that go up to 1:2000, guys. Don't do that, it's a bit crazy. And the thing is, you must understand as well that as much as there's upside, there's also downside. It's a double-edged sword. Leverage is a double-edged sword, right? Okay, cool. So here's the process. You deposit your money. Let's say you deposit $100, right? And they ask you to pick a leverage, right? So let's say we decide to take 1:100, right? So now when we take 1:100 with a deposit of $100, right, they're just basically going to amplify the what you already have, or leverage, quote unquote, with 100, 1:100 times. So they're gonna times the money that you have, or they're gonna leverage your money 100 times, right? It's same that goes if you were to choose a 1:30. Same if you were to choose 1:1, like 1:500, right? So now we move in, right? So now the initial capital that you're trading with now, leveraged, is $10,000, because your leverage is 1:10,000, right? So what does that mean, right? What does that mean for you as a trader, right? That means the maximum lot size you can use is a mini lot, because for a mini lot, it's for every 10,000th you get rid of the currency pair, right? So now the max you can trade on a $10,000 account is a 0.10 mini lot, right? So now I want you to understand that the basic understanding of leverage is that the money you already deposit, they just amplified for you, so you can trade with more capital, so you can make more profits, right? But it's also a double-edged sword. You can make more losses as well. You get what I mean? So now this is the maximum you can relatively trade with a $10,000 account with a leverage of 1:100. I hope you guys still do understand. I want to show you a site though where I use for forex calculators as well, because instead of doing this process yourself the long way, I'll just show you a simpler way of doing it. All right, so I just wanted to show you a demonstration, because there's different calculators for this thing. As much as it is, you don't really want to spend time, especially when it's time to execute, to kind and calculate how much like lot sizes you need to use, right? So I'll put the link of this website over here, right? It's FXTM, right? It's just their pip calculator, right? So here the base currency we USD, and then currency pair is Euro USD. Let's say then we have trade lot sizes. We could do a 0.10, right? And then the pip amount 10, right? That's relatively $10. You get what I mean? So everything relatively makes sense. And when you come over here, be like, okay, cool. If it's a 25 pip take profit, if I use 0.10 lots, I can get $25. You get what I mean? Same situation. If let's say maybe you change it around, you do like, maybe if I risk a little bit more, 37 pips. You get what I mean? So there's different types of ways to kind of understand what types of lot size you need to use. This really helps, especially when you're trading funded accounts and when you really want to scale your trading as much as it is, right? If you watched till the end of the video, guys, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you did enjoy and really did learn something from this video, make sure to like like this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, follow me on my Instagram, flair.fx_. That's the only Instagram I have, guys. Make sure to join the Discord in the link down in the bio. The link of this pip calculator will be in the link in the bio, so make sure to click that. But other than that, guys, it's Mr. Flair signing out.